Comsec, yung matrix, para po maintindihan po natin. Kasi kung ako po yung titingin doon, ibig niyo bang sabihin, Mr. Asek, Gumban, dahil, ayan o, sabi niyo po, involved si Alan Lin sa droga. Si Michael Yang ay kasama ni Michael Lin sa corporation. Tinatanong ko ngayon, ano ba yung line of business po ng corporation? Kasi Mr. Chair, kung natatandaan ninyo, doon sa Committee on Drugs, na-establish natin na si Michael Yang ay isang drug lord or involved sa illegal drugs. At tignan niyo po, yung inyong title sa Matrix, Pogo Illegal Drugs Connections. So sabihin niyo po sa akin, at ibig sabihin, yung mga link ba yan? Saan po yan? Involved sa Pogo, illegal drugs. So tanong ko po, so idig niyo pa po no, yung corporation ni Michael Yang at saka ni Alan Lin. So ito po, nilagyan niyo ng arrow si Alan Lin at saka si Senator Bongo, tama po ba yun? Senator, tingnan ko nga po.
Ma'am, regarding Piley,
Oo, dun sa matrix.
Piley, ma'am, is to engage in general construction business, including the constructing, enlarging, repairing, developing, or engaging in any work upon building, houses, and condominium roads, plants, bridges, airfields, piers, waterworks, railroads, and other structures, except government-funded projects and other defense-related projects. That is the relations of the Pogo, ma'am. They're the one constructing the Piley, is the one constructing the buildings.
Pogo. Sila
Pogo.
po yung nag-construct ng mga Pogos. Yung mga-
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dahil nilagay niyo rin po illegal drugs diyan, ano. So si Alan Lin, hindi lang po siya involved sa construction ng mga illegal pogo, infrastructure or mga buildings, involved din siya sa illegal drugs. So don't you think, or can you infer na baka involved din si Michael Yang sa droga?
So far, ma'am, what we have is Alan Lim has a case in drugs. But with regards to Michael Yang, we are still going into investigations regarding that matter together with other government agencies.
Yes, so medyo Mr. Chair, medyo matagal matagal tayong siguro mahirap talaga mag-imbestiga. Pero matagal na po yan natin na pinag-uusapan. Papanahon pa ng Parmali, 2016 pa yan, yung pangalan ng Michael Yang. At hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa natin po siya na-imbestigan. Ilang beses na po yan lumalabas. Even sa Committee on Dangerous Drugs, sinasabi po na si Michael Yang ay involved sa illegal drugs. Pero sige po, hintayin namin yung inyong investigation. Ano pa po yung mga corporation na involved po si Alan Lin at saka si Michael Yang? So yun
Mr.
lang
Chair.
po ba, Mr.
Chair, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, may I interject? Just one question lang. It puzzles me, Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Congresswoman Castro. I'd like to ask us, just for clarity of this committee, di ba kayo po yung nag-present ng matrix na to?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And the heading of the matrix very clear. Pogo, illegal drugs connection, is it correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So why did you put Michael Yang there if you're not fully convinced that Michael Yang is not connected with any illegal drug trade?
In the beginning, sir, we stated already that this matrix was taken from it is a compilation.
Yeah,
Not exactly from PDEA alone.
yeah, but you're the one who presented this, Mr. Chair, to the committee. So we presume you already have enough information to respond to the question of Congresswoman Castro. It appears that you are assailing your own matrix by saying that you do not have enough information to link Michael Yang with illegal drug operation. Why would you put their name there? That's very incriminating, and yet you're coming here telling us that you do not have enough evidence to prove.
He was with the Pogo holding, sir, with the Pogo thing.
But you should have at least clarified that in your matrix before coming here because it's very clear. We all understood the arrows. Tama nga po yung sinabi ni Congresswoman Castro. Very clear po yung mga arrows dyan. And yung heading is very incriminating, Pogo illegal drug trade. Lahat po ng pangalan dyan, from the very start, first glance, it appears that all of these individuals are connected in one way or the other in the illegal drug trade.
Yes, sir. That's correct, sir. They are connected in such a way that others are just connected because they are just the same incorporators. Not exactly that they are involved in drugs.
Yeah, but I guess, Mr. Chair, no? I think it puzzles me, Mr. Chair, because the way I understood the matrix is that all of these individuals are somehow connected one way or the other in the operation of illegal drugs vis-a-vis the illegal POGO operation. So it puzzles me, Mr. Chair, that now Congresswoman Castro is digging deeper into the arrangement and the transaction between and among these corporations, and yet we're getting information from PIDEA na hindi mismo sila sigurado. I just want to put that into record, Mr. Chair, Asek Gumban.
Thank you, Congressman Adjong.
They have to be clear on their presentation.
Yeah,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed, Congresswoman Castro.
Yes, thank you Mr. Chair kasi ina-analyze ko talaga yung matrix, no. Parang sa statement po ni ASEC Gumban, parang meron siyang ine-exempt, no? Kasi tinanong ko rin po ito, no, yung relasyon ni Mr. Duterte kay Michael Yang. At since close siya dahil nga doon sa inappoint pa ito, no, as economic advisor or whatever sa pwesto niya doon sa presidential. Pero sinasabi niyo ngayon na wala pa po kayong conclusion na si Michael Yang ay involved din sa droga. Pero balikan natin yung matrix, Mr. Chair. Si Alan Lin, Mr. Chair, ay kinonect. Sorry nakita ko kasi yung kinonect po kay Senator Bongo. Sinabi nyo kanina, si Alan Lin ay involved sa illegal drugs. So, ang ibig bang sabihin, involved din si Senator Bongo sa drugs since kinonect nyo po siya. So, ano po yung ibig sabihin po nung arrow nyo? Yung connection ni Alan Lin at saka ni Senator Bongo po. Gusto ko lang pong malinawan.
Ma'am, according to our informant, they are just close friends. That's why you just put it there. They are just close friends. It is not specific that they are involved in drugs. That's why we have these incorporators, just to interlink them. And we are still digging that what we can have against these people. It is not yet complete, ma'am. It is ongoing.
Okay. So, si Alan Lin po, no, close friend. So, alam po ni Bongo ang mga trabaho po ni Alan Lin. Na alam po ni Senator Bongo, dahil sila ay close friends, alam po niya na si Lin ay involved sa illegal drugs. Yun po yung tanong ko.
That would be answered by Senator Bongo, ma'am, not us yet. Because we are still investigating, we do not have concrete proof yet of what their transactions is.
Okay.
What we have there is just they are just close friends, according to our informant.
Okay. Okay. Thank
We
you
do
po.
not know what they are talking about. They do not know what they are talking about if they are close friends. We are just guessing what they are talking.
Pero sorry po Asek Gumban, wag po kayong gagawa ng ganyang matrix na incriminating at kino-connect nyo tapos ang title nyo ay illegal and POGO drugs connection. At yan po, nilagay nyo rin po yan. Kompletuhin nyo po yung inyong investigation dyan at syempre po yung Mr. Chair, sa AMLA naman, so nakita nyo na po yung meron na po ba kayong inimbestigahan dito sa mga personality on drugs po? AMLA. As regards to kung meron pong money laundering involvement.
Sir Chair, based on the presentation, as far as I can recall, there is just one corporation there, the RMCE, where it owns an account that was subject of a petition for civil forfeiture by the MLC related to other subjects, Mr. Chair, who are not on the matrix.
Okay, so sinabi na po ni ASEC Gumban